Hi everyone, welcome back to K&K channel. In today's Q&A section, we're covering a common challenge, zooming out in AutoCAD, in moving UCS icon. If you have ever worked on a large drawing and needed to fit everything neatly on the screen, this is for you. Question 1. How do I zoom out to fit the entire drawing on my screen? Sometimes you're working with large plan and you need to zoom out to see the whole things. Here's the easy way to do that. To zoom out, all you need to do is scroll the mouse wheel backward. This action pull your view back, allow you to see more of your drawing. Question 2. How can I move to the UCS icon after zooming out? After zooming out, you might need to move the UCS icon to better spot. First, click the UCS icon to select it. Then just click and drag to the position you need, like the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you release the mouse button, your UCS icon will stay in place and you can continue working. Question 3. What if I need to zoom out more and adjust the UCS icon again? If you need to zoom out further or reposition the UCS icon, just simply repeat the step. Zoom out using scroll wheel, then click and drag the UCS icon again. Keep repeating the steps until you're happy with your setup. This ensures you get the exact zoom level you need for your work. And there you have it, zooming out to fit your drawing on a screen and moving the UCS icon. A simple but powerful tool for organizing your working place in AutoCAD. If you find this tip helpful, drop a comment below with any more questions, and I'll be sure to cover them in future videos. Make sure to subscribe to the channels and ring the bell for more AutoCAD tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.